We have to understand from the very beginning that Mahayana or Theravada or Hinayana is only the word, but it's a truth, no word at all. So the word of the Buddha cannot be Mahayana or Theravada or Hinayana. The truth is the truth. And when we talk about the firm confidence, it is Thera, to understand clearly, firmly. So we don't use Maha for understand clearly and firmly. We use Thera in the Pali term, Mankong in Thai, and Theravada, stable, firm to the truth of the word, never change. So we talk about realities no matter the word is called what, because actually it's just the word, but the words or the meaning or the reality is more important. So the words of the Buddha is the Buddhist teaching, only that. No Mahayana, no Theravada or anything. It's the truth of the reality which Buddha has enlightened. So we just talk about that, no matter what you call it. I am Mahayana or I am Theravada without understanding at all. So what's the use of saying Mahayana or Theravada when there's no understanding? So we don't mind at all whether one takes Mahayana from childhood or Theravada in the registrator, but actually the truth is the truth. No need to say anything about Mahayana or Hinayana. So we can talk about the truth to everyone, like now. If seeing does not arise, can there be seeing? Just the truth. And can seeing stay all day? Or but it's not now, because at a moment of hearing there's no seeing, and so on. Just the truth. So the teaching of the Buddha is panya, and panya means understanding the truth, the absolute truth. That which cannot understand is not Buddha, it's not panya, it's not understanding.